tell me it's not beautiful enough to stay here forever. Ooh, I got an idea. Oh, baby says his heart's been broken and he can't find someone to mend it for him. Says he needs someone to take care of him. Oh, you know I love it, adore him. Ooh, I can be that someone. Ooh, let me be that someone. Kick back and let yourself lose control. Sit back, baby, who cares about tomorrow? Let me hypnotize those bright blue eyes, spin your world around. Let's dream of city lights and leaving time, leaving time. 'Cause it's a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. You got no shame when it comes to loving. It's only a game. What's the use of running? Yesterday's pains keep you up all night to search for salvation in between the lines. Ooh, I'll be your sanctuary. Ooh, when your days seem weary. Kick back and let yourself lose control. Sit back, baby, who cares about tomorrow? Let me hypnotize those bright blue eyes, spin your world around. Let's dream of city lights and leaving time, leaving time. 'Cause it's a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Nothing to fear and nothing to hide. Take a look at yourself through mine. Dive headfirst into me. I'll be anything you want me to be, how to be. Kick back and let yourself lose control. Sit back, baby, who cares about tomorrow? Let me hypnotize those bright blue eyes.
So you have.
Tuturuan nga kita, liga.
Okay, do it.
Kita mo yan. Yon. Iikot kasi lalim. Pag ganon. Kita mo?
Okay, let me
Tapos,
try.
tapos dito, ganun din. Iikot ka pag ganon,
Oh, I know how to do that.
Ay, naku. Mugaga.
How do you do that?
Ganyan, Abnoy. Ay, makinig.
What are you guys supposed to do?
Follow the instruction. Naku, po, G. Akin at babaliin ko yan para makita mo.
Do it.
Manood ka. Watch me. Okay? Okay? Your hinlalaki.
Ouch.
Your hinlalaki. Put over there. And then make a turn like this. Okay?
Make a torn.
Ay, sus. Construction ka.
Why she's so pretty?
Ayaw. Ano na hinlalaki mo? Ha?
What?
Ay, naku.
Don't use funny words on Archie.
Matanda ang puta. Pinagbigyan mo na kayo pa. Talagang matatanda sa uno. Para si Archie.
No, that's why there's traffic.
Aksidente ba yan o ano?
Construction, I think.
Hindi, may ano eh. May fire department eh.
Aksidente siya.
Aksidente yan.
Oo.
Handa na agad yung taga-walis eh. Aksidente ngayon.
Kaya pala naman traffic. Ang dami pala ng mga
Oh.
Show me, what do you do? Do it on me.
Your hand na laki, you put over there. Your hand put like this. Ay, maiksi naman ang kamay mo, huwag ka natin mo ganyan. You're so, ano.
Hey.
Ay, puta truck. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I did it!
Yeah, sige, sige. Ay, truck ko naiwan yung kaputol.
Sige ba yan?
Ay, dalawang putol yung truck na yan, no? Oo, dalawa nga siya. Dalawa siya.
Oh.
Na-discarreel. Oo.
Look up, Tito Joey. Puro pala truck yan.
Na-discarreel siya. Oo, yung
Tito
anak
Joey.
ni ano? Anak ni Sasha pa din siya.
Look! Aha! Ibibit that?
Putang binibidyoan yung usapan namin ini. Paglalagay mo sa YouTube. Walang kinakakalay siya. English ako ng English. Hindi alis. Wait. Lalagay na naman sa ano. Walang kinakakalay siya. Ayun. Bumilis ka na siya. Ano? Alay siya, i-void mo na yan.
What's void?
Ha? Erase. Putang ina mo, ang hina ng ano ko sa iyo. Tapos pupa ka mo ng malakas. Ano ka ba? Anak ni Mama Tonyo? Eh, Sige.
Oh!
That's it, okay?
That's it.
Say!
Pinagsasalita.
Uy, mahiya nga kayo. Say! Ka!
Stop!
Say! At yan, magkukuha nung masusulat tayo.
Nasaan ang ina na
Hey!
rin?
This Steve McCain!
Andyan lang.
Tiktak ka!
Pero maayos ang Hey, Avery! Maayos ang pamilya nila. Sila nga
Hi, Bobby.
may problema ang ina. Siya, marami, hindi kayanin.
Hindi kasi mga ko ni. Lagi ng Dunkin' Donut na nakain. Kaya kasi, avoid the Dunkin' Donut.
Ang nanay yung isa, December.
Don't eat too much sweet.
Ito, walang problema, magulang nito.
Give me candy.
Hindi nila kayanin.
Avoid sweet.
Avery, 5 more minutes. I'm giving you a shower. It's bedtime.
The bedtime. What's about time?
Bedtime. Lagi nang may
What's about time? They have big. Oh, I'll behind you. Tatakot din yun. Yeah.
Hi.
Naligalit naman na rin matanda ka rin.
Also known as
Who's President?
also known as Grandpa.
Who?
Active ang bata.
You.
Who did this your geography?
You.
Is Steve McCain?
Somebody touched me.
Oh my God! You know what? Blow it!
Blow it?
Blow on me.
Blow what?
Oh yeah.
Blow your nose.
It makes it so blow. Ah! So cold. It's not working. I'll do it some more.
Go, girl! More!
Ana!
That's it.
That's it.
Film ko kayo, maligalig.
Avery.
Oh, see?
It's not funny anymore. Okay.
That's it. Tomorrow, honey. Tomorrow, okay?
Ay, ito naman ang maligalig.
Okay. Good night.
No.
Wala yung mga kalarang bata niya kayo.
Oh.
Okay. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Hagapon mo.
You wanna I read your story? About
Ang pagong at ang...
about the monkey, the pig?
Don't you mean Bigfoot?
No, that's a Bigfoot.
Ano sabi niya, Jin? Ba, sino ba?
The monkey
Name's Bigfoot.
and the crocodile.
The monkey and the crocodile.
Uh-huh.
The crocodile versus King Kong. Ooh, there's two baldies.
You didn't see the other one there? There are three. Not only two, three. Look for the other one there. Bumaba ang tatay. Oh, there's two baldies.
Yeah, there is another baldy.
Did you see the other one?
Oh.
Okay,
There's three baldies daw.
okay, 2 minutes is up.
Give me 5.
2 minutes. Okay, I'll give you 5. Ouch.
Gusto ko marikap. Your best friend, Steve McCain. Okay, say goodbye to Steve McCain.
Good night, Steve.
Ano yung queen?
Steve McCain, takya.
Fried chicken.
Wala na.
May tapos.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
5 na naman.
Chicken.
Whoop! Nasa kaya ang king na rin?
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
Ayun, talantain na eh.
See you the other day.
I'm
Si Papa.
forever.
15. How many, ano sabi niya, baldy? How many baldy?
3.
3 baldy.
Who your best friend?
Where's the first one?
Who your best friend?
The first baldy.
Who your best friend?
Wala namang S ngayon. Siya daw.
Kanina puro S. Ngayon walang S.
Me.
Siya daw yung best friend.
Me.
How about the Steve McCain?
He's not Steve McCain.
Who?
Joe.
Joe. Joe.
Oh yeah, you're baldy. He's Joe. Your baldy, he's baldy, and the guy in there is baldy.
That's
Grandpa.
Archie Potter.
Father.
The other baldy. The other baldy is his dad. His dad.
My dad.
No.
Oh, his dad.
Yeah. Steve McCain Potter.
Father.
Naku, matutuluyan ako pag narito ko.
Tito Joe,